Yo guys, welcome to this short video today. So I thought this video needed an update after the last one became so popular. iOS 11 iMessage echo effects. So if you haven't seen that, check that one out. The link will be above or down in the description. So let's get into this film. So as you just saw there, I wrote the message, held down on the send button, swiped left to go to the screen, and then click send, as that was the echo effect. So it appears many times on the screen. The iMessage echo effects was introduced in iOS 11 with all these iMessage effects. They have added more effects to it. For example, we have the Animoji effects now that you can have stickers and that, but these are effects of sending the text messages. So here I'm going to demonstrate with another echo effect, which you can see it's not as effective with the larger messages, but with shorter messages it is very effective. So I'm going to mix it up a bit. So if you haven't already seen my iOS iMessage effects video, you should go check that one out. And here I'm demonstrating with the spotlight effect, which isn't part of this video, but I'm just doing a demonstration of another effect which is effective in sending messages. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content. Please like, comment and subscribe. See you on the next one.